Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, we are going to do something different. I've heard a lot that action cameras are not good. So I obviously wanted to test it out because it's not good for recording. A mobile phone camera is better than an action camera, and a DSLR camera is the best for this thing. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to compare them both and see the pros and cons. What I've done is I mounted my DSLR and action camera together, and let's see how this thing works out. So first we will just go ahead and change to our dual cam split over here, and now you'll be able to see both the cams. That is my action cam, which is in the left of your screen, and the right hand side is the DSLR. Now you'll be able to see that. Let me just adjust the camera once again. Just give me a minute. Okay. I'm just adjusting the camera so that you'll be able to see this better. Okay. So it's been adjusted. Now you'll be able to see the action camera. What it is giving you is what it's projecting directly into the USB port. It's giving you behind, if you see the whole background, what is there behind me. It's not splitting anything. It's also showing you my webcam over here. And you're able to see my mic, my desk and everything. It's not zoomed in that much. It's minimum zoomed in to match with the DSLR, but it's not zoomed in that much. And now about my Panasonic camera. If you see my Panasonic camera, the clarity, that's the DSLR, the clarity is very good over there. It's so clear that you'll be able to see each and every element clearly over here without any problem. And that's because it's connected to a capture card from which the signal is getting transferred to my uh, computer, and it's getting recorded by that. So if you see both one camera is directly connected to USB port and other is like having a capture card to support it. But both cameras are not that bad. There are some grains in the uh, action camera, as you can see in the left hand side, but that can be changed by color correction or by your gamma adjustment in your OBS or any recording program which you're using. You can go ahead and do that. So the fact of the matter is, I don't understand why people say that action cam is not good for shooting videos or anything like that. Because if you go ahead and now I'm using it at just 720 to 120 pixels by connecting directly to the computer. But if you put a battery in that and if you record, you'll be able to record at 4K and the quality will be 1,000 times better than what you're seeing now. So I checked that out, but I was not in a feasible position to do that out for you today. I will do that in another video. But in this Lumix cam, whichever that's Panasonic Lumix DSLR, whichever angle you take, it's almost like I've seen my own previous videos which I made. It comes in. Goes around its own light level and everything. If you see it's so bright, you're able to see me brightly over here because of the light. If I reduce the light, even that will reduce down. But over here, there is a color management thing. There's a color management in the uh, action camera, which is automatically going ahead and managing the total camera, the light and everything properly. If you see in the action camera, the light is better than what light you're able to see in the DSLR. So it's up to you to decide which one you want to go with. Because a mobile phone camera is good, if but can it be used as a second or third camera? It's up to you to decide. If you have an expensive mobile, yes, that can be done because it has a built-in software. But even the action cam has a built-in software nowadays. So let me go back to the main camera. So it's up to you to decide. I did have to go sideways to go ahead and tell you that to make this comparison, but it's up to you to decide whether you want to go with a DSLR, a mobile phone, or with an action camera. But what I can just say from my end is like it's all about making content, whether you're using a inexpensive camera or an expensive camera, it's all in the content. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day and do like and subscribe. Thank you.